If you're wanting any or even all of your sub-accounts to have workflow actions that allow you to be able to integrate directly with us on it, this video is for you. Now what I have pulled up here on the screen is all of the current actions that we're able to do through the API that we built. All you simply need to do is, once you purchase the workflow apps, and we've got dozens of these apps, Asana, this just happens to be the video for this. Once you install it, they become available to all of your sub-accounts. Now, for this here specifically, the actions that we have are create a task. Now I'm going to click this, and I've noticed that HighLevel is being just a little bit slow. So one of them is create a task, update task, delete a task. You can create a tag, you can update a tag, you can delete a tag. Okay, now this loaded up here on the sidebar here. So since this is integrated directly with Asana, you're able to push and pull even things like the contact name, the task name, and all of the statuses that you would normally do for any type of Asana step. You can build those in directly into your workflows, as you can see here. Okay. Now the last action that we have is a note, and what this is, we actually create callbacks to let us know what happened when this workflow action fired. And you can do all of these actions. You can either create a message, ID, or an error. Then that way, if you're having troubles pushing any type of information over to Asana, this note feature is an easy way to troubleshoot. If you're interested in this, you can click the link below this video, and you can get a 7-day trial along with all of the other apps that we have that comes with this suite.